Morning, boys and girls. Beautiful weekend, wasn't it? I'm recording this on Sunday, and as you can see here at Hawford, beautiful blue skies, and I'm sure it was where you lived too. I hope you managed to get out for some lovely exercise with your parents, and I hope you really enjoyed the lovely weather. We were lucky on Saturday to have lots of mums and dads join us virtually, of course, at a Hawford open morning, and it was great to see them, to be able to show them a little bit of the school that we all love and enjoy being at. Of course, you love Hawford and you love being at Hawford, and come next Monday we will have you all back, and I must admit I can't wait. I bet you can't wait either. It will be lovely to have you all back, but we have lots of hard work, of course, ahead of us in the next week before we can look forward to that joyous day when we all return. The hard work last week produced lots of house points, and Mrs. Marshall Walker is going to update us now on the current position.
Well, good morning, Hawford, and welcome to this week's House Points. The scores before half-term were, as ever, close. So let's see what this week brings. Oh, the dojos have their masks on, keeping them safe. OK, we have Clent on 15 points. Malvern, you've got 19. Breeden, you're on 21. Kimver, how have you done? 16 points. So well done to Breeden for being ahead a little bit there. I'm looking forward to you all being back next week, where you will be able to watch the results from your classroom.
So it's a big thank you to you all for that hard work over the last week. Thanks to Mrs. Marshall Walker for updating us. Keep working hard. Lots of things to engage with over the next week. I've been pleased to have lots of musical performances too sent in. Last week's music concert, the informal concert, was brilliant, by the way, and I have to congratulate each and every one of you who performed in that concert. It was the best music concert I've seen in an awful long time. You were just brilliant. You must have been practicing so hard at home, because as musicians you have really come on. Honestly, you were amazing. So I loved that. Now we have a musical performance that was part of that concert. Michelle is going to play for us now.
大家好，我的名字是朱子琪，今天我为大家演奏《四季歌》，新年快乐！
So thanks to Michelle. And musicians, keep sending me in your performances. If they're anywhere near as good as last week's music concert, it will be lovely to use them in our future assemblies over the remainder of this term. Now, talking about musicians, I'm going to talk to you about Agneta, Bjorn, Benny and Annafried. 4 brilliant musicians, and they were part of a group called, can you guess? Think you know? Yes, Abba. Now, Abba were a fantastic group, and we're going to be having a special Abba Day here at Hawford on the 17th of March. We've got a little promotional trailer for that now, so here is a trailer for our forthcoming Abba Day. Definitely something to look forward to. Abba Day. I'm thoroughly looking forward to that. I'm sure that you are too. A little bit of dressing up, some great lessons about Sweden and about the band, and then a fantastic concert in the evening. Now, I've got some other performances for you now, a little bit different. Some poetry. One a rap, one a recitation. Recently, these were recorded and sent in to me, and I completely love them. So, here are two pieces of poetry.
What's up, homie? It's Dozzer here to tell you what you're doing wrong. First things first, you're being absurd. Eating a Burger King, they're the worst. Deep fat burgers, that's just wrong, yo. Hop over to Mackey's, they'll sort you out. Big Mac, a portion of fries, or whilst you're at it, get a large Diet Coke. Yo, woo!
Okay, Andrew, nice and clearly, off you go. Welcome, everybody, to our school concert. Louder, please, Andrew. Mums and Dads won't hear you at the back, will they? Welcome, everybody, to our school concert. Louder, Andrew. You're not trying. Project your voice. Take a big breath. And louder. Welcome, everybody, to our school concert. For goodness sake, Andrew! Louder! Louder! Welcome, everybody, to our school concert! Now, Andrew, there's no need to be silly.
Well, thank you very much, Benjamin. Thank you very much, Archie, for those fantastic bits of poetry. Now, if you'd like to include anything in assembly, just send it in. Always consider anything, especially if it's a little bit different, to include in our assemblies. Now, I'm going to talk to you about something that we still need to think about, even though we haven't really been at school for an awful long time, and that is our manners. Talked quite a lot about manners in our assemblies, but of course, because we haven't had a proper assembly for a long time, you may well have forgotten certain things. And coming back to school next week, I want you to remember them. Let's remember, we start each day with a good morning, with eye contact, with a smile. We follow it up with a how are you? And we show an interest in the people that we meet. That's really important. Don't forget, magically, our good morning changes into a good afternoon after 12 o'clock. And as we're leaving school, or perhaps in the late afternoon, it becomes a good evening. Magically. So just remember those things. Remember to show people a little bit of politeness, a little bit of courtesy, some good manners when you meet them. And of course, good manners also include things like please and thank you and listening. Listening is so important. Not interrupting people. Listening to what they say. Showing an interest in them. It's vital that we know our manners and we behave in that way. At the same time, when we're eating at the table, let's remember our table manners. We know what they are. We don't eat with our mouth open. We don't talk when we've got food in our mouths. These things are very important. Please, thank you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Manners at the table. I know you're really good at these things, but of course it's easy to forget, especially perhaps in the excitement of coming back next week. But let's remember them. They're vital things. Let's put our hands together for our prayer. Lord God, we thank you for this beautiful day. We thank you for this wonderful part of the world. We thank you for all the creatures and animals we share it with. Please watch over us, watch over your creatures, and we promise to make the most of our talents, to do our very best, and to make you proud of us each and every day. Amen. So that's pretty much it from me for now, because we have a KH radio following this assembly. Just want to say, keep going, keep working hard, enjoy all of the learning that you are offered during this next week. Look forward to that magic day when we're all back together. But make the most of each and every day. Never wish your life away. Make the most of every day. I look forward to being part of your day again on Friday. First, we've got a little bit of music from our 60s concert a short while ago, which I hope you'll enjoy as we go out. Then our KH Radio. Bye for now.